Hi, grade 8. This is the third practical sheet. Okay, and in this sheet, there's something that we are going to make new, that we are going to make the computer count the characters in the password text box, and if it's less than 8, it will return the message minimum allowed length 8 characters. Of course, we are going to do this using the function and the if statement that we took before. The rest of the things we already done, okay, and learned in the other videos. Okay, first we open a text document, then start an HTML code, make a form, make 2 text boxes for username and password, make a button and name it sign in, as you can see in here. Okay, use JavaScript to make the message minimum allowed length 8 characters appear when you click on the sign in button, and the number of the character in the password less than 8. Okay, this message will appear. How to do this? First, as you can see in here, HTML tag, head and title, body and form. Of course, we are going to name this form as we learned the last video. Name equal form 1, okay, as you can see in here. Then inside the form, we're going to make the 2 text boxes and the button, okay. Username, input type equal text, password input type equal password, and we are going to name this text box name equal pass1. Why we name this, especially the text box of the password? Because we are going to program the computer to count the characters inside this text box, so we are going to need its name, okay. And then we are going to make the button input type equal submit, which is the job of the button, is to submit. We are going to name write the name on the button, sign in using value, okay. And we are going to use the thing which is called on click. We learned this, so it's to do what, to make the function inside here like this, like this. F1, we're going to name it, for example, F1. This function will happen when we click on click of the button sign in, okay. This function will happen. So now let's make this function, let's create this function and put the message inside it, okay. How to create a function? In JavaScript we need to write first, as we took before, the word script, okay. Then we are going to make a function and name it F1, as we took in here, F1, okay. Then we are going to make this bracket. Inside the bracket we are going to make an if statement. Inside this statement we are going to make a condition, if, okay, in form 1, in text box that's called pass1, okay, the value inside it, the words that I write inside, the words or the numbers that I write inside this text box that's called pass1, if its length less than 8, okay, less than 8, write the following message: alert, okay, allowed length 8 characters. Okay, as you can see in here, semicolon. Then we close it like this. Okay, this is it. So now let's try it. What will happen when we insert our username and password and we click on the button sign in? The computer will check function that's called F1. When we click on the button, it will check the function that's called F1. You will see the computer will see a condition that said what? If in form 1, this form, in the text box of the password, pass1, if the value length less than 8, give this message. Minimum allowed length 8 characters. If it's 8 or more, don't make any messages. Okay, so now let's try it. File, save as, save, yes. Okay, let's try it in here. Okay, as you can see in here, it's also they are all in the same line. I don't want this. What to do? As you will learn before, BR, just called line break to make an enter. To make enter like in the keyboard. Okay, then again save, file, save as, save, yes, and in here refresh. Okay, so I'm going to write my name. Okay, then I'm going to write 1, 2, 4 characters. Okay, and sign in. Okay, let's check what's wrong. Okay, first we are going to try, let's try and write here return. Okay, return F1 and save it. Now return F1 and semicolon. Okay, file and save as, save, yes. Let's refresh. Okay. Okay, so let's see what's wrong. Okay, yeah. What do you see in here? First, we didn't close the script. So this was caused the problem. Let's remove this. Oh, so now let's try it. I think it's gonna work. Okay, let's save as, sign in, yes. Yeah. Minimum allowed length 8 characters. Okay. Okay, so as you can see in here, this is the importance of each tag. This is the importance of the tag script, and without it, it didn't work. So it's nice to face a problem, to be able to see how to solve it. Okay, so try it at home and try not to make any mistakes. Thank you so much.